Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Luca English Channel, where learning English is natural, relaxed, and enjoyable. My name is Sarah, and I am very happy to be here with you today.
Hello, Sarah. Hello, everyone. It is great to be here again. I'm Luca, and I feel very relaxed and positive today. How are you feeling, Sarah?
I am feeling very good today, Luca. I feel calm and comfortable. I had a slow morning, and that gave me a very nice start to the day. What about you?
I feel great as well. I feel energetic, but also relaxed. I had some free time this morning, and I really enjoyed it.
That sounds wonderful. Free time is very important for our happiness. And actually, Luca, free time is the perfect way to begin today's conversation.
Yes, exactly. Today, we're going to talk about something that everyone can relate to.
Today, we are talking about hobbies and free time.
That's right. We will talk about what we like to do when we are not working, how often we do these activities, and why hobbies are important in daily life.
This is a very useful topic because people talk about hobbies all the time in real English conversations.
Yes, when you meet someone new, hobbies are often one of the first topics people talk about.
Before we start, let's say something important to our listeners.
Of course, if you enjoy learning English with us, please like this episode.
And don't forget to subscribe to Luca English Channel.
And if you know someone who is learning English, please share this conversation with them.
Learning English is always easier and more fun when you learn together.
Exactly. Okay, Sarah, let's begin. Sarah, when you hear the words free time, what do you think about?
When I hear free time, I think about moments with no pressure. I think about time when I don't have to work, hurry, or worry.
That is a very nice way to describe it.
For me, free time means doing simple things that make me feel good.
Do you feel like you have a lot of free time?
Honestly, not a lot. I work during the day, and sometimes I feel tired in the evening, but I try to make small moments of free time every day.
That is very realistic. Many people don't have much free time, but small moments are still important.
Yes, exactly. Even 30 minutes can make a big difference.
What do you usually do in your free time, Sarah?
In my free time, I enjoy calm activities. I like reading books, listening to music, going for walks, and sometimes watching a movie.
That sounds very peaceful.
It is. I don't enjoy very loud or stressful hobbies.
I understand. Some people like excitement, but others prefer calm and quiet hobbies.
What about you, Luca? What do you like to do in your free time?
I like a mix of activities. I enjoy playing football, cooking meals, watching movies, and spending time with friends.
That is a nice balance.
Yes, some days I want to be active, and other days I just want to relax.
That's very healthy.
Sarah, when someone asks you, what do you do in your free time, how do you usually answer?
I usually say, in my free time, I like reading and listening to music. I try to keep it simple.
That is perfect for clear communication.
Yes, simple sentences are very helpful, especially for English learners.
I agree. For example, I say, I enjoy playing sports and cooking at home.
That sounds very natural. Sarah, do you think hobbies are important? Yes, I think hobbies are very important. They help us relax and feel happy.
I feel the same. Hobbies help us forget about stress and problems.
When I feel tired or stressed, I know my hobby can help me.
That's a very good point.
Luca, let's talk more about reading. You know reading is one of my favorite hobbies.
Yes, you mentioned that earlier. What kind of books do you like to read?
I like simple novels and short stories. I also enjoy books about daily life and personal experiences.
Do you read every day?
Almost every day, I usually read in the evening before I go to bed.
That is a great habit.
Yes, reading helps me relax and sleep better.
I usually watch videos before bed, but I know reading is healthier.
It really helps your mind slow down. Sarah, you also said you like listening to music. Yes, music is very important to me.
What kind of music do you like?
I like soft music. I enjoy calm pop songs and gentle melodies.
Do you listen to music often?
Yes, almost every day. I listen to music while cleaning, walking, or relaxing.
Music can really change your mood.
Yes, it can make a normal day feel special.
Now let's talk about sports. You know I like playing football.
Yes, you mentioned that earlier. How often do you play football?
I usually play 2 or 3 times a week.
That's very good for your health.
Yes, playing sports helps both my body and my mind.
I don't play many sports, but I walk almost every day.
Walking is also very healthy.
Yes, and it gives me time to think. Do you like watching movies, Sarah? Yes, I do, but I don't watch movies every day.
What kind of movies do you enjoy?
I like romantic movies and comedies.
I enjoy action movies and documentaries.
We have different tastes, and that is interesting.
Yes, hobbies don't need to be the same.
Luca, you said cooking is one of your hobbies.
Yes, I really enjoy cooking.
What do you like to cook?
I like cooking simple meals like pasta, soup, and rice dishes.
Do you cook every day?
Almost every day, cooking at home helps me relax.
That's great. Cooking can be creative and calming. Sarah, do you have more free time on the weekend?
Yes, definitely. Weekends feel more relaxed.
What do you usually do on Saturdays?
I clean my house in the morning. In the afternoon, I relax or read.
And Sundays?
Sundays are very calm. I rest, watch movies, or visit family.
That sounds very pleasant. Luca, do you like social hobbies?
Yes, I do. I enjoy spending time with friends.
What do you usually do together?
We talk, eat together, go for walks, or play games.
Spending time with people is very important.
Yes, hobbies are not only activities but also connections.
Do you think learning English can be a hobby?
Yes, absolutely. Learning a language can be enjoyable.
I agree. Listening to conversations like this is a great hobby.
And a very useful one.
Luca, let's help our listeners with some simple sentences.
Good idea.
You can say, in my free time, I like.
You can say, my hobby is,
You can also say, I enjoy doing.
and you can say, I usually do this in the evening or on the weekend.
These sentences are very useful in daily conversation.
Yes, they are simple and natural.
Luca, I really enjoyed today's conversation.
Me too, Sarah. It was very relaxing.
We talked about many hobbies and ways to enjoy free time.
And we practiced real, useful English.
Now we have a question for our listeners.
Yes. What do you like to do in your free time?
Please write your answer in English in the comments.
It is great practice.
Don't forget to like this episode
Subscribe to Luca English channel.
and share it with your friends.
Thank you for learning English with us today.
Have a wonderful day.
See you in the next episode.
Bye-bye, everyone.